Okay, here it is, a gigantic mouse pad. There's a mouse just for scale, so this is from Fnatic. This is their large, oversized mouse pad. And yeah, it's a nice cloth texture. There's no stitching though on the edges. It has kind of a rubber silicone membrane, so it sticks pretty well, doesn't move. It's nice and sturdy. And you see it takes up a good portion of the desk. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's cheap, so it's hard to complain. Maybe the stitching, maybe it could be a little smoother. Things could glide a little better, and stitching on the side would be nice, but otherwise, you know, it does the job. And again, just with the keyboard, just so you can get an idea. Alright, the Gigantus V2 3XL. So I mean, you can already see it has considerable, a lot more depth than my old Fnatic one, which would be in the like XXL size. So this 3XL really gives you more depth to also have the monitor just rest on the pad. And so I'm excited because so I have a desk, it has a cutout, and so you can't really do, it actually makes this sized, the one that I have, kind of like awkwardly shaped, where everything's like partially on but partially off, and yeah, so it'd actually be better for me to either have a smaller one, like just a normal, like a square mouse pad, or this huge thing. So we're gonna give it a try. The old one, not nearly as wide and then not as deep. So, okay, so let's figure out how.
One thing I noticed after using the new Razer mousepad for a while, it has more of a texture than the Fnatic one did, so it's a little rougher. It's actually like not as smooth. I don't know if that's better or worse, might depend on what you prefer. I didn't mind it so much, but also the Fnatic one was nice as far as the actual surface.
All right, and here's the new, larger Razer mouse pad. So now everything is Razer, except for these wrist pads, because those ones are great.